One of the best ways to save money on your chicken budget is to start with a whole chicken and cut it into parts that you need for your particular dishes. Today we're starting with a whole chicken, removing the back and other parts to clean it up. You want to just quickly remove those extra pieces of fat from the inner thigh area. Trim that off with your shears or a sharp knife. Flip it back over and cut it in half with a long, sharp chef's knife or butcher knife. This is the chicken presented in 2 halves, and that will allow you to serve two serving portions of chicken to your guests. Now we're going to continue the same process with another chicken, removing the back also, and you want to definitely reserve these backbone for your stock recipe. If you just take the moment to crack that bone right there, what you'll have then is a spatchcocked chicken. This is really great for roasting and also grilling, anything that you need a really even cook on your chicken, and full seasoning because you have more surface area. We're going to continue along. Flip the chickens back over, remove the thigh from your halved chicken. All you want to do is find that thigh joint and just cut it very meticulously. And now you have your dark meat separated from your light meat. You can stop right here, freeze your chicken into parts, and that will allow you to cook just what you need for a particular recipe. We're going to continue on. You see here we just cut the thigh from the leg and used a smaller knife to remove the wing from the breast portion. You can also remove just the flat portion of the wing as it's attached to your breast, and that will be an airline breast. You can segment each of the wings separately and then continue to cut until you have all of your pieces individual. This is a very important way to save money on your individual pieces of chicken and also allow you to get the freshest, most reasonable parts of chicken for your meals. Now we're going to take it a step further and create a boneless, skinless breast from our whole chicken. Now this is one of those things that when you buy it in the grocery store, it can be as high as $8 per pound, sometimes even higher. But as compared to buying it whole in the chicken, it's very important that if you know how to do this yourself, you can save a lot of money and have a much fresher product for you. And then of course you just want to go through and trim and look for any pieces of sinew or bone or gristle and just remove those from your chicken cutlet and chicken breast. Thank you for watching this demo, and I hope you'll continue to watch future episodes of The Counter at www.thecountertv.com.